Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display your YouTube chat directly inside OBS Studio using custom docs. This is super useful when you're streaming because you can monitor and interact with your chat without switching windows or using a second monitor. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Look for the option labeled Docs and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various doc options available. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several doc choices. What you're looking for here is an option called Custom Browser Docs. Go ahead and click on this option. This feature is what allows you to embed web pages directly into your OBS interface, which is perfect for keeping your YouTube chat visible while you're streaming or recording. After clicking on Custom Browser Docs, a new window will pop up on your screen. This window is where you'll configure your custom doc settings. You'll notice there's a field at the top designated for entering your doc name. Click into this field and type in whatever name you want to give this doc. This name will appear as the label for your chat doc, so choose something that makes sense for your workflow. Now, right beside the doc name field, you'll see another section labeled URL. This is where the magic happens. Click into the URL field and paste the link to your YouTube chat. This URL is what tells OBS exactly which web page to display inside the doc, connecting your chat directly into your streaming software. Once you've entered both your doc name and pasted your YouTube chat URL, you'll see an Apply button at the bottom of the window. Click on this button to save your settings and create the doc. This action tells OBS to process your configuration and generate the custom doc based on the information you provided. After clicking Apply, the chat window will automatically appear as a doc inside your OBS interface. You'll now be able to see your YouTube chat messages in real time without leaving OBS. You can resize the doc, move it around, or dock it wherever it's most convenient for your setup. This keeps everything you need in one place and makes managing your stream much more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your YouTube chat directly into OBS Studio using custom docs, giving you seamless access to your audience while you stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.